speaking. Children, as of now, we have been discussing about the chapter Practical Geometry, and we are already over with the exercise 14.4. In that particular exercise, I have discussed about question number 1, 2, which were pretty similar to each other. And from exercise 14.5, the question number 1 and question number 2 is as similar as question number 1 of exercise 14.4, in which we are supposed to find the axis line of symmetry. I have already explained that axis line of symmetry is none other than, that is actually a perpendicular bisector on a particular line segment. That is the concept of perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector and the concept of axis line of symmetry is the same. So here in this particular video, we will discuss about question number 3. So the very first thing is what we need to understand what is the question actually, what has been asked actually. So in the question number 3, it's asked that draw a perpendicular bisector of xy whose length is 10.3 centimeter. Take any point on P on the bisector drawn. Examine whether Px is equal to Py or not. That's a very interesting question. It's all about this particular exercise, all about drawing perpendicular bisector. So here is question is what? We are supposed to draw a line segment measuring 10.3 centimeter. Suppose children, this is a line segment measuring 10.3 centimeter. Name of this line segment is xy. Of course, it's bigger than 10.3 because I'm using the board in order to explain this particular sum. So this particular line segment is measuring 10.3 centimeter, and I'm going to draw a perpendicular bisector of it. So what is the basic rule of drawing perpendicular bisector, children? We have to take the compasses. We will take more than half. So this is measuring middle point, suppose might be here somewhere at this particular point. So we are taking more than half. So one arc, using this measure, one arc up, one arc down. We are using the very same measure again from this particular vertex y, one arc up, one arc down. Now we are going to join them. So children, this line segment which I have drawn on xy, this is a perpendicular bisector. This is a perpendicular bisector. So as I am asked to draw any point, to take any point of this perpendicular bisector. So here I am choosing a point P over here. You can take it up, little up, or you can take down, no matters. You can take it, below xy also, no matters. So I have chosen a point P over here. Now, I'll just take my compasses once again in order to measure to find the distance between Px and Py, whether they are same or not. Just place this middle at x and this point at P. Again, from y to P, yes, they are equal distance. As we all can see, Py and Px are equal to each other. That means the construction is absolutely perfect. So we will write, yes, the point on perpendicular bisector is at equal distance from x and y. Therefore, we can simply write Px is equal to Py. I believe it's clear to everyone. Next question, question number B of this part. If M is the midpoint of xy, suppose I have taken the midpoint which is M of xy. Now, according to the question, what can you say about the length of mx and my? If I have chosen M as the midpoint of the perpendicular line segment, so here I have to measure whether mx is equal to my or not. So I am going to measure this one. Mx, it's equal to my. Yes. Children, actually the concept is whatever the point you take on this particular line segment, perpendicular bisector, From every point on this perpendicular bisector, distance of x and distance of y will be equal. This is what they are trying to teach us. Whatever the point, wherever the point you take on this particular perpendicular line segment, bisector, it will be equal distance from x and y. I mean, if I choose any point, suppose nx and ny will be equal. If I choose a point, suppose z over here, zx equal to zy, like that. I believe it's clear. If you know, please feel free to speak to me and drop your queries in comment section of Google Classroom as well as in WhatsApp. I believe it's clear to everyone. Till then, thank you so much, children. Thank you. Good luck. Thank you. What's good?
এটা এরকম আছে